Wasn't even gonna make a video, but I said, why not, man? These things were only $8. Listen, I like the orange, okay? Let me make that clear. I just don't like how the orange looks against the red. Just my preference. It's like that volcano lava look, man. I ain't about that life. But these things are so easy to install. Like honestly, it should be the first thing you do. This is it. Twist it. Boom. Like this guy, he's out of here. Light bulb, out of here. This thing, you go ahead and pop it in here. Now we're gonna stuff these guys in here. This I failed. There we go. Man. Now put them in. Do they fit good? Heck, look at that. So much better. Oh, looks really good. Sick. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Oh shit. Let's see what that looks like now. Oh. What do you guys think? Lame? Should I get different ones? I kind of dig it. I think it looks sick. Short video, I know. If you guys want to purchase these little baby lights for $8 or $9, they'll be in a link in my description. Until next time, peace.